Hey guys, today let's learn how to see someone's old story over on Instagram. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. Alright, so after heading to the dashboard of Instagram, now I'm going to go to one of my friend's profile. And if I want to view his old stories, what I can do, old stories are basically the highlights which this guy has added to his profile. And you can see we have one highlight here. So once I go and open this highlight is basically his story which he has posted like 51 weeks ago. And moving towards next, again we have another story which is around 49 weeks ago. So this is basically how you can view someone's old stories on Instagram. And if the highlights are there, you can obviously view their old stories. If they are not on their profile, then you cannot view the old stories. Alright, so with this guy we have some more highlights, and you can see once I go and open this highlight, you can see this highlight is basically the story which he has posted 35 weeks ago, 30 weeks ago, and so on. So this is basically how you can view someone's old stories on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.